In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a free donation button on Please Donate in Roblox. You're first going to navigate to Create on your Roblox website. You're then going to click Manage My Experiences, and then click on Your Public Experience. From there, you're going to click on Associated Items on the left-hand side. You're first going to need to create a badge. You're going to need an image, a name, and then you click Create Badge. You're then going to create a pass doing the same thing. Next, you're going to click the badge and the pass that you made, and you're going to click Sales. You're going to make sure that this button is checked off, and you're going to click a price in Robux. Remember that you are only receiving 70% of this. Once you save your changes, you can go onto the Please Donate game and go to your stand that you selected. After that, if your button has not appeared, you click Reload and it will appear once again. That's all you need to do to get this donation button for free. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.